How to download and install Valorant step by step. To download and install Valorant, first of all, you have to visit the official Riot Games website on your desktop. So go ahead and launch your device's web browser, tap on this search bar, then type Riot Games. Once you search for the Riot Games, go ahead and launch the official website and then proceed to log into your account or simply create a new account and click the Play Free option to open the registration page. Enter your email address and follow the prompts to complete your account setup. Then download the installer itself onto your PC, then run the setup file, then click the advanced option if you want to change the installation path or drive, then click the large install button to start the downloading. Now all you have to do is once the installation progress bar is finished completely, simply restart your computer immediately so the Riot Vanguard anti-cheat system can initialize and launch the game from your desktop shortcut after your PC boots back. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.